Today, guys, we are gonna play Escape Pop-Up Pizza's Pizzeria. This is supposed to be scary. I think we're gonna try it. Guys, this is my first time. But before we start, please like and subscribe for more videos. Okay. Oh, it's a really creepy one. It's good now. Whoa, I'm sorry guys, I'm just a bit laggy. What's this? Stuck remain. I don't need you. Oh, what is he doing? Turn back. No, I'm not, because I'm the bravest one in the world. Oh, hey, I'm gonna start. Welcome to your doom. Oh, what? How did I even get? How did I even know that? What? Ew, bro. The fuck is that? Bro's literally not dying. Ew. Ugh. Oh, I was gonna be here. What do you mean? What's this? Bear traps? Okay. Not very bad. Can you? I can see you. Oh fuck. Bro scared me. He's so scary, bro. Why does he sound like that? Bro sounds so gay. Bro sounds gay. Bum bum bum. Oh shit. Motherfucker. Wasn't just. What the fuck is bro doing there? Hey yo! Okay, stop with this. We died. Would you like to wrap it up again? What do you mean? What's this thing? Oh, we got the dogs. Okay, we jumped that. We jumped there. Oh my god. I almost died from that. Guys, I think I'm dead. The war is in peace then. Stars. Bro, why? Why does this keep happening? I think I'm just too skinny for that. But I'm the fattest man in the world. But not Queso though. I'm not fatter than Queso. I'm skinnier than him. I think this is my first time playing this thing. I've been here for how much minutes? I hate this game. Why do I keep dying? This. Please. Just one. Finally. What's this? Oh, that's the dogs. That's the police dogs. Doom is coming. The fuck? Don't touch the cobweb. Okay, not bad. The fuck? How do I even? What was that? You almost scared me though. You do like a mission crave? No way. That's a fake. For how much longer? We'll hold there. I think this is a pressure plate. Pressure plate. Yes. Another can. The dog is so happy that he's gonna recycle it. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Up. What? What is this? this room? Is this the smoke room where you... I don't know. What was that room? Like, he's here. I think he's here. Get to the vent. What vent, bro? No. You can. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So fast. Oh! You got almost got me. What's this? You want to escape? Okay. I don't know if I can escape this, but this was not really hard at all. What's this? Press this, don't touch it. What's this? Turn back now. Nah, I ain't doing that. Find the crowbar. Oh shit. What's this? Oh, okay. What are these skeletons doing here? How is this? How's their... What? I don't know. Okay, let's go up. Wait, are we going back? No, we're not. My police dog has only one eye. Oh, what the hell? I thought he was one eye. You hear that? You hear that? What the fuck? Oh, almost. Oh, the one that has souls. Okay, no, no. Nope. Get. Here we go here. Bro, but literally gets killed. What the hell? Ew! Where did that come from? Ew! It came from there? Ew, it's so disgusting. So much dead people. Why does he keep killing those? Oh! Almost dead. And this is a conveyor belt. It's pretty hard. Oh, I need to skip this. Oh no. Go there. Go there! I almost slipped. Do hop on. Don't this way. Don't this. Huh? Who's saying that? Am I watching an anime movie or what? Oh my god, what's this? What's this thing? Bro, literally is just standing there. He's a pretty good. It's a god. Yes, it's a pretty beautiful god. Okay, now can I even... Oh, we can climb. How did I miss that part? Oh, bro, I'm so laggy at this part. Look, why? That always is what. I hate this song, bro. Who did this? What? Am I lagging or what? Okay, another thing done. 3 more to go. This way. Can I even make that jump, guys? Subscribe if I can make it, though. Yes! I made it. What? The dog doing? Exit. Oh, another. What's that called? Run home. It's over there. Over there. So, oh, there we go. Almost home. Guys, I made it! Yes! I explore the other path. Speed path. Oh, speed pad. Jump or what? Oh, that was the map. Wow. But if you enjoyed this video, guys, please like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye, guys.